Hello? Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, my major. Major get them. Yeah, major make it. Yeah, we can come out. Yeah, come out. Oh, come out. Come out. Come out. I'm here. Okay. Thank you. Hello, sweet potato. Sweet honey. Wow. That's my chocolate baby girl, freshly, swansily, beautiful, ugly.
Wow.
Oh yeah.
What's me on Paraba?
Of course. What's your number?
You're smart. When you talk very humble.
Oh yeah, I'm smart. I'm think smart. I'm very smart. And everything. I'm smart in bed. I'm smart in my money. I'm smart in my driving. I'm smart everywhere. In the same like Bet Planet. Bet Planet is the best soccer highway to. Nice with you. And what to say? Oh, but we have a nice place. Oh wow. Oh, why are they? Congratulations to your guy. You know him. My child said, and then what I say. Meaning, Pierre went to Massabas. My catch and nephew. Also, me take you out. I take you from home to out to chill. I see DJ and no one be your baby relax at least. Yeah, we are not trading. We are boy and trading. What I say, enjoy. I want to enjoy them.
I know, but yes.
Oh, Casadin is Casadin.
Say,
oh, of course. As we know, yeah. Happy, lay bed.
No, but I will send me back. That was me or boy. One boy and I plan a man. That's a man from fire and I'm from fine, seriously, me who many are doing. And then I would like to move on with you. She said, "Me jam a boy in the war." And I needed you it. So many more, and I see how now what happened. To honor not to one, I saw you need to, and I saw you should buy any she need you. Miss I'm getting addicted. Please, and for me,
no. For once, we yeah, I come see the name we have, and the name we have. My name is Ibrahim Mama, ex-president from Grandma Mama. What is the ex-president? It didn't move. How can I can disgrace myself to touch my brother ex-president? I can never do. Me just scam, me did this scam, me not this scam, me need to scam. No. You have an opportunity in the moment in farmer. I can give you 100,000%. Of course, feel free. Sorry, and then thank you. Oh, you're so lovely. But at least, no, I will never give me more better book hat. A man, I'm a book hat. Who must give me book hat? I'm not giving out. This is my latest guy. Oh yeah, Range Rover new latest one. Yeah. If you feel like Papa, I can give you one hug, another one hug. Give you a hug.
So shy.
Of course, so and the canary. Get inside. Like a papa. What I say? Papa, be out to my idea. A deep bomb. Oh, what's what? Oh, what can I hide here? What did you do? Okay.
I'm fine.